Welcome back to Britology, and today we're diving into the world of ultimate road luxury. Imagine taking the freedom of travel, the thrill of the open road, and combining it with the kind of comfort and extravagance you'd usually only find in a five-star hotel. That's exactly what the future of motorhomes is shaping up to be. We're not just talking about vehicles that get you from A to B, but rolling palaces, technological marvels, designed for those who want to see the world without sacrificing a single ounce of luxury. This is Future on Wheels, the most expensive and luxurious motorhomes of 2026. The concept of the motorhome has been around for decades, but in recent years it has transformed from a symbol of budget travel into a status icon for the ultra-wealthy. By 2026, motorhomes aren't just about convenience, they're about identity. They're statements of wealth, taste, and cutting-edge technology. The kind of homes on wheels we're about to look at can cost more than some mansions, yet they sell out among those who crave freedom, without losing the luxuries of a lavish lifestyle. One of the most eye-catching examples on the horizon is the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a futuristic masterpiece. Its sleek design looks more like a spaceship than a vehicle meant for the road. By 2026, its updated version is equipped with fully automated driving systems, AI-powered interior climate control, and the kind of entertainment setup that makes traditional home theaters feel outdated. Inside, you'll find a panoramic cockpit with touchscreen controls, a lounge with Italian leather seating, a master bedroom that rivals high-end hotels, and even a sky lounge that rises from the roof, offering you a private rooftop terrace wherever you decide to park. The price? Well into the multi-million-dollar range, making it one of the most exclusive vehicles ever built. Next is the Volkner Performance S, a motorhome that merges German engineering precision with high society living. Known for its integrated garage, yes, you can literally park your Ferrari or Lamborghini inside your motorhome. The 2026 models now take it a step further. Imagine pulling up to a scenic lake, pressing a button, and having your supercar glide effortlessly out from underneath your rolling mansion. Inside, the interior is lined with custom woods, marble counters, and a gourmet kitchen. The entertainment system is linked to satellite internet, ensuring that whether you're in the Swiss Alps or the Nevada desert, you're always connected. For those who demand both function and flair, this motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobility and prestige. But the future of luxury motorhomes isn't just about extravagance, it's also about sustainability. By 2026, eco-conscious luxury has become a trend among the wealthy, and motorhome manufacturers are embracing hybrid and fully electric models. Take the Tesla Nomad X, a concept that is expected to hit markets this year. Powered entirely by advanced electric batteries with solar panel extensions on the roof, this motorhome proves that opulence and environmental responsibility can coexist. Inside, the vehicle boasts minimalist but elegant interiors, using sustainable woods and fabrics without compromising comfort. There's an AI assistant that learns your preferences, adjusting lighting, temperature, and even your driving routes to maximize efficiency. For those who want to travel in style while reducing their carbon footprint, this is the future made real. Of course, no conversation about futuristic motorhomes would be complete without mentioning the American giants of RV luxury. Brands like Newmar and Prevost have consistently redefined what it means to take a house on the road, and by 2026, their flagship models are almost beyond belief. Think heated marble flooring, custom-built spa bathrooms, smart glass windows that adjust transparency at the tap of a finger, and entire living areas that expand outward with hydraulic slide-outs, doubling your space at the touch of a button. These are not just motorhomes, they are castles on wheels, with every square inch designed to impress. Technology is at the heart of this revolution. Many 2026 motorhomes come with full integration of artificial intelligence, allowing owners to manage everything from energy usage to entertainment with simple voice commands. Augmented reality dashboards project navigation onto the windshield, and biometric security ensures that only authorized users can access the vehicle. Imagine walking into your motorhome being greeted by name and having the lighting, temperature, and even background music adjust automatically to your mood. It's not science fiction anymore, it's reality. What's also fascinating is how these motorhomes are redefining social spaces. Many now come with modular living areas that can transform depending on need. One moment it's a cozy lounge for family movie nights, and the next it becomes a high-end, office space for those who can't step away from business even while traveling. Some even feature expandable terraces, outdoor kitchens, and hot tubs that slide out from the side of the vehicle. The level of engineering required to make these luxuries mobile is staggering. Yet it's precisely this attention to detail that makes them so appealing to the wealthy elite. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect is how these motorhomes embody freedom in its most luxurious form. Traditionally, owning a mansion meant being tied to one location. But in 2026, the wealthiest among us can take their mansions anywhere in the world. Want to wake up overlooking the Grand Canyon, enjoy lunch on the French Riviera, and fall asleep under the northern lights? With these motorhomes, that's entirely possible. They've turned the idea of luxury living into something fluid, mobile, and endlessly customizable. It's also worth mentioning that the motorhome lifestyle is no longer just for retirees or long-distance travelers. In fact, more and more high-net-worth individuals are using these vehicles as mobile status symbols. They appear at exclusive motorhome rallies and luxury road shows, where the competition is no longer about who has the fastest car, but who has the most jaw-dropping motorhome. These gatherings showcase everything from futuristic designs to personalized features, like wine cellars, recording studios, and even small gyms, all built into a vehicle that still fits on the road. Of course, the price tags are staggering. Some of these motorhomes can cost upwards of $10 million, putting them firmly in the realm of the ultra-rich. But for those buyers, it's not just about travel. It's about owning a piece of the future. It's about being part of a movement where freedom, luxury, and technology intersect in the most impressive way possible. So as we look at 2026 and beyond, it's clear that motorhomes are no longer just recreational vehicles. They've become a symbol of what's possible when human imagination, engineering, and wealth come together. They are the future of travel, and perhaps even the future of living. For those who refuse to compromise between luxury and adventure. And that wraps up today's journey into the world of futuristic luxury on wheels. If you enjoyed exploring these jaw-dropping motorhomes, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating insights, and share this video with anyone who loves innovation, design, and the thrill of the open road. Until next time, this is Brutology. Thanks for watching.